Hello everyone, welcome again. This is Plumbing Straight from Poland. Let me show you another job in here we've done. This is the boiler room in here. All the pipes are going into the upstairs radiators, and on the ground floor we've got floor heating system. Yeah, we have main water line in here, gas boiler, yeah, and in here we have pumps. For the left one is for the floor heating system with thermostatic valve in here. We can adjust what temperature we want to send into the floor. Temperature gauges over there, yeah, looks like that. This one here is for the radiators, just like that. Yeah, it looks like that. Now we will do another job. So thanks for watching. Let me show you the manifold for floor heating system. Yeah, and here we have radiator for the we have manifold, sorry, for the radiators. Yeah, just like that. Hello again. I've done some videos about this property before, about this house. We've done all pipes in here for now. We just installed the radiators on the walls. It looks pretty good. Yeah, we have one radiator in here. Our radiators are working now. And here we have another one. Just like that. Pipes are coming from the downstairs, yeah, at the bottom. Yeah, like this. We have one small room in here. The radiator is under the window, and in here it's gonna be bathroom. This house, it's not finished yet, but the customer, he wants to hit up these rooms in here. Yeah, so it's reason why we install the radiators now and not after when the walls are finished. Yeah, as you can see, the bathroom is ready already. Yeah, it's already done. It's finished. Looks like that. The radiator over there, and in here we're gonna have wash basin. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.